What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, we are planning for the week of the 25th through the 1st. This is a little different. It's been such a long time since I have planned on a vertical spread. This is like where all of my planner love began. I have been using the monthly layout now since July, so feels good to be going back to my roots. So we're planning for the week of Thanksgiving. So I wanted to get in the holiday mode. So I went on ahead and decided to begin my holiday planning in November, as you guys seen in my Christmas setup. But let's just go on ahead and dive right in. So first things first, I'm going to use this washi here just to cover up the feathers on the bottom of this. I forget what this planner was called that I picked this out of, but it was kind of like the Free Spirit vibe. So it has like these feathers, but I am going to use and play up the yellow. So I was really thinking like maybe black, white, and yellow with like pops of other colors here and there. But for right now, let's go on ahead and cover this up. All right, and I think I also want to incorporate a little bit more of this same washi just to kind of tie everything in. Just gonna do like a hard rip right there for now. All right, so now that we have our washi laid down, I will be pulling from these sticker books. So I got my seasonal, my fall, my winter, my Christmas, and Happy Hostess. I'm gonna pull from the seasonal book first, and I just marked some areas that really wanted to use certain stickers. All right, you guys, so this is what the final spread is looking like. I just wanted to do one more thing. I wanted to add like a little touch, and this is actually going to be like my little traveling grocery list as well. So I decided to get some paper from the Poppies and Pine cardstock. I got this from Hobby Lobby. This is by the Paper Studio. And it just comes in like this, you know, smaller size. So I just cut it down to size to put in here. And I just thought that I would just decorate really, really quickly with this, with these two books here. So I'm just gonna take one of these bigger stickers here. And I want to place this down. I think that's good. Yeah. And I picked out a couple of stickers here to make it look fabulous, at least on the front side. So I found this sticker out of the Happy Hostess that says, "Give much, gather often, greet many." I thought that was super fitting, super cute. Love the script in this. Maybe I can decorate a little bit around it. My furnace just cut off, so now it's nice and quiet. Shout out to my furnace. Maybe I'll use some of these banners. A banner, I think that's cute. Maybe some of this confetti would be cute. Oh yeah, this is coming off. Coming along very cute and dainty. So yeah, there we go. And that's all I'm going to do to the front. But then for the back, I want to make this my grocery list. So anything that I may need to grab, I can just pop this out and take it with me on the go. So let me see. I wonder if there's some dots in this book that I can use. I can use these yellow ones. So there. Oop. There we go. So boom, now I have a on the go grocery list. Any last minute items that I need to grab up from the store. I like that. I think that's really cute, and it just gave like a really nice element and like kind of like a little reveal up underneath there. So yes, I hope that you guys enjoyed as I put this spread together. I am feeling so inspired using the vertical spread for the first time in many months. I'm low-key thinking that I might go on ahead and buy me a vertical planner for next year, just in case I feel like I want to do a little Franken planning and just for new inspiration. But we'll see what happens. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope that you guys found some inspiration here. And go on ahead, if you like this video, stay tuned on my channel and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you can get notified every time I am dropping new videos. So until the next time, I thank you guys so much for checking this video out, and peace out.